have grabbed some random household items that I have laying around, and I have made a little canister that will hold paintbrushes, pencils, pens, maybe makeup brushes, whatever you have that you can think of you'd want to have in these containers. So what I have is Mod Podge and a paintbrush. I grabbed a jar, a mason jar that was in my house lying around, a empty can from some soup, I believe, but whatever, doesn't matter. And then I went and grabbed paper that is lying around in my house. Any kind will work, thinner the better, tears nicer, glues on nicer, but it doesn't matter, whatever works. And then I cut out these cactuses, pineapples, llamas, all from this paper. So I just got creative, cut them out, and I'm going to Mod Podge them onto these containers. End result, I made this a while ago. It was from an empty candle, and that is what it made. So I'll show you some other little steps here in just a second. So with the paper, like I said, I just grabbed random pieces of paper and I actually rip them. I do not cut, or try to cut as little as possible. And I just do that. So let me show you real quick. I take the Mod Podge, and this is a new one, so I'm going to open it quickly here. There we go. Paintbrush, I take this. I'm gonna just put it on here. Actually, I'm gonna go around the whole top. And then I'm gonna actually use this one because I like it. And it fits around the top, this one, pretty nicely. So there it is, stuck on. And then I'm going to take my Mod Podge again, and I'm going to use quite a bit, and I'm going to go back over all of that. And then real quick, I like this yellow one, so I'm going to just do this one real quick. And I'm gonna put that one right here. I'm gonna angle it actually, just to give it a little bit of some dimension, depth, whatever. There you go.